Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Joey here again with yet another review, and this review is going to be a makeup review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Perception Palette from Makeupshayla and ColourPop. So if you guys are interested in watching my review on this palette and also watching a little mini eye tutorial on this look, just keep watching. But I woke up, I showered, and I still sound like I just woke up and stuff, so don't mind me. My skin is really doing this thing today. I don't know what it is, but lately I haven't been glowing the way that I was a few months ago. So yeah, let's not mind my skin. But anyways, guys, let's get into this review. So first of all, I would love to thank my my boyfriend's mother, because she was actually the one who bought me this well, she bought me two palettes from ColourPop, but she bought me these palettes to review for you guys, and I'm like super excited. I really love Makeupshayla, so I'm like super thankful that she did send me this one, because I love Makeupshayla so much. This is what the box looks like what your package is gonna look like, pretty much. I'm not really sure like if this is what it's gonna look like when you get it, like for the first time, like if you get only one palette. But I got two palettes, and here is the Perception palette, which is the one that we're gonna be reviewing, with this kind of like, I guess this is a thank you card, but it says "You're my best tea." It's so cute. And it's just a little card that it comes with. So that's pretty much the box, and the box has the information on where it got delivered and all that stuff right there, but I'm not going to show you guys that. This is the Perception palette right here. It's so pretty. The packaging is so pretty. And the back of the package tells you all the colors that it has. And it looks like it has 16 colors. And I already had unboxed this just because I wanted to make sure that everything was okay, since I got this palette yesterday. So I wanted to make sure everything was okay, versus like the crayon box. I had got it the same day, so that's why I opened it the same day. And this is cruelty free, if you guys are wondering. And this is it right here. Look at how pretty. This glare on my camera is really getting on my last nerve. It's the mirror, but look at how beautiful those colors are. And it also brings a mirror, which is a plus, because it's easy for you to just do your makeup. And this looks like it's gonna be the mirror that I'm gonna be using while I'm doing the little mini tutorial for you guys, which, by the way, I will be doing one eye just like last time, because I have a limited time that I can do these videos for YouTube for you guys, because I'm not that popping yet on YouTube. But first, let's get into color swatching. So I'm gonna color swatch them on my arms, and then I'm gonna tell you guys the colors. So I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna go ahead and do that. There is no primer on my arms. I will not be putting any primer. It's going to be a single swatch. If I have to double swatch it to show it, I will. But it looks like all these colors are pretty opaque, so I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch them for you guys, and then I'm gonna tell you the colors. Okay guys, so here are the color swatches, and these color swatchings, like when I did them, it only took like one single finger swap with all of these, because they were super pigmented. Even the ones that I thought that weren't gonna show up on my skin, which, for example, this one right here, which is Culture, I thought that was gonna show up on my skin, but it actually shows up. You can see it. They showed up pretty well. So the first color up here that you're seeing, this is Unbothered, which is going to be this color right here. It's gonna be like an iridescent white color. The next color is TF, which that one is right over here. It's a beautiful golden standard color. You can use that almost for a highlight as well. But right here is Titus, which is this one right here. It was named after her dog, and her dog was almost like this color. Well, if that makes sense, but her dog was like a grayish color. He was so cute. But yeah, this is it right here. And then the next color that I swatched was Stallion. Stallion is right over here, and it's like a navy blue, almost black with blue glitter on it. It's so pretty. Then the color right here, which is next, which this one is like one of my favorite eyeshadow type of colors to wear, is Spill the Tea. So that's this right here. It's almost like a light rose gold color, sort of like a light rose gold color. Color is Diva. Diva is sitting right over here, which is like an orangey gold, really, really pretty. The next color next to it, it's gonna be the ones at the bottom. So it's gonna be Revenge, which I feel like this is a perfect crease color. Or if you're just doing a warm matte eye, this is perfect for your eyelids. And then right over here at the bottom, I have Played Out, which is like the perfect brown if you're trying to smoke your eyes out. And going from here, this green right here is so gorgeous. So that one is EI. And then next to it is 14, which is the color that I will be doing today. And I will be pairing it up with Stallion. So those are the two colors that I'm going to be doing today. Then the next color after 14 is Strut and Slay, which is really pretty. It's a darker version of Spill the Tea, so it's kind of like a copper color. It's right here, almost looks kind of rose goldish. The one next to it is Culture, which is the color that I thought wasn't going to show up, and it's right over here. Have Sassy. Sassy is beautiful. Sassy is like a peacock color. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a peacock color. So when you turn, it kind of looks green, but it also has like reflections of purple. And you have September, which is this really pretty purple, and she's sitting right here. It's kind of like a purplish pink. And you have Thick. Thick is so gorgeous. This is like the perfect, another perfect color for your crease. And she's sitting right here. She's this orange color. And then the last color is Shade. And Shade is actually one of my favorite colors in the palette because you can create a nice wine colored smoky eye. And if you guys can really see that, it's kind of like a dark plum but with glitter on it, which I think would be so beautiful for the fall. So with that said, guys, after this color swatching, let's get started on this tutorial. Of course, I'm going to be using my NYX base, and this one is in the color ESB03, and this is like a skin tone color. I've actually been using this as a concealer under my brows to carve out my brows. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm just going to start by just priming my eyes with the same eyeshadow base that I just told you guys about. And then I just use a beauty blender to kind of smooth it out and blend it out so that it lays really flat. And then I'm just going to go ahead and just set it with some setting powder so that it doesn't crease at all. So the color that I'm going to start with is Culture, and I'm just putting this on my crease. It's like the perfect crease color because it's not too dark and it's not too light either, but it shows up pretty opaque, and I do love that about it. Then I'm going to go in my inner crease with the color Thick, which is a darker orange, and I just want to deepen my crease a little bit more to make it look more dramatic. And then I'm going to go in with Revenge, which is a deeper color, which is like a reddish deeper color in my inner crease to kind of cut the crease a little bit more. Now y'all know I'm all about blending when it comes to my eyes, so I definitely like to just blend that out first before I go in and I deepen the crease. And to really deepen the crease, I use the color Played Out, which is this beautiful dark brown. And since we're doing a smoky eye, I just decided to go with that one to kind of smoke it out more on the crease. Then I'm going to cut my crease with my eyeshadow base, and I'm making sure that I'm packing it on enough to really get that color opaque. And also don't forget to set your lids because you definitely want it to come on smooth. So now I'm going to go in with the color 14, which is this beautiful bright blue, and I was just really pleasantly surprised on how pigmented this was on my eyelid. It almost shocked me so much that I was like, all right, I gotta take this really slow because this color was literally very, very blue. So I just love how much the color payoff came out really nice on my lids. Thing I did notice as I was putting it on was that there was no fallout with this eyeshadow, and I love that about it too because it didn't get too messy. But I did make sure I smoothed out the edges, and now I'm going back in with on the crease to make sure that I smooth out those edges and blend them out so it doesn't look too rough. And at the corners, I'm just placing a little bit of Stallion, which was that dark blue, and I'm just blending it out to kind of smoke it out a little bit, just to make it look a little bit darker and more dramatic. And then I'm going back into my upper crease to just blend everything out so everything looks nice and smooth. And I'm just gonna simply put on some eyeliner, which this is the e.l.f. liquid liner. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pop some lashes on, and these are from Salon Ready. I got these at Walmart, and I've been loving these lashes, and they're double stacked. So I did double stack these lashes before I put them on. Then I put on some mascara, which I'm using my Maybelline Blackest, I believe it's the Blackest Black mascara. And then on top of it, I'm just putting on some eyeliner to kind of blend in my lashes with my liner.
Shawty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your gain, my gain, your loss, my pain. Slow down the way you go down. You know now.
Okay guys, so I'm back and this is the finished look. So let me leave you guys with my final thoughts on this palette. So first of all, I was really shocked with how pigmented the colors were and how easy it was to put it on my eyes. Off camera, I did put some gold in here. So the color that I used, if you guys are wondering, is TF, which is the color up here. It's so gorgeous, and I also used it as my highlight. The colors that are matte, like the 3 colors that I told you guys that would be perfect for transitional colors, they were magnificent. I really love them. Played out was really nice. It's just the way that I blended it, and again, that was my fault. It didn't turn out to be the way that I wanted it to, but overall, I do love this palette. I feel like she's perfect for anyone because she does have, you know, your transitional colors. She does have the perfect, you know, she has the perfect bright colors. She has the perfect balance for anybody who wants to create a day look but also wants to create a night look as well. So I definitely want to give a shout out to my girl Makeupshayla because she definitely did her thing with this palette. I will be using this palette a whole lot because there are some gorgeous colors in here that I would love to do different looks with. I will be bringing you guys a tutorial on more of a daytime look with this palette because I feel like this palette is so gorgeous. You should get yours today, and again, I will be putting the price on this below. It's gonna be right here, right now. So yeah, make sure that you guys get yours today because I feel like she would be a great eyeshadow palette for your kit, or just something to add to your day. Or maybe if you don't have an eyeshadow palette, this is a first time great eyeshadow palette because you have your colors, your bright colors in there, but you also have your beautiful colors right here that are nice for the daytime. And I like the way, I just noticed this, but I love the way that it's broken down between nighttime and daytime. If you guys notice, I don't know if she did this on purpose, but it's kind of broken up in half and half, so I do love that. So you can create, you know, any looks with this. And also I also love the gold shades because they can easily be used as highlights. As you guys can see, this highlight is definitely popping. I always use eyeshadows for my highlight, if you guys are wondering. I'm always using an eyeshadow, but this is a new one for me, and I feel like this one's gonna hit pan first. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this little mini tutorial that I did for you guys, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you guys want to see more tutorials with this palette. Let me know what you guys think about this palette if you already have it, and let me know also if you plan on getting it. Like, just let me know in the comments below. Make sure that you guys follow me on Instagram, and make sure that you guys follow ColourPop to keep up with their collection. Make sure that you guys also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and make sure that you guys hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.